Fiber construction process. Broadcom is committed to improving telecommunications throughout our communities. Part of this process is the installation of fiber optic lines. These lines are made up of strands of glass or fibers that transmit voice, video, and data all at the speed of light. As Broadcom Communications continues to expand our next-generation fiber network, there are a few things you should expect during the construction and installation process. The process takes a bit of time to fully become operational, so we want to give you a timeline to make the transition from your old copper line to the new state-of-the-art fiber optic service as easy as possible. First, you receive a letter informing you that construction is about to begin in your area. Soon after, you will see crews using temporary paint to mark underground lines such as gas, water, and other utilities. Fiber construction process. Once this has been completed, the contractor is working for Broadcom and will begin installing mainline fiber optic cable down the road right of way. In neighborhoods where utilities are overhead, Broadcom will install the fiber optic cable on existing telephone or power poles. In neighborhoods where the utilities are buried, the cables will be installed underground. After the main line has been installed, a Broadcom representative will splice and connect our field equipment. Next, a Broadcom employee will contact you to discuss how best to install fiber from the roadway to the side of your home. It is important to inform us where underground items such as underground dog fences, sprinkler systems, septic tanks, or electrical service to a barn or shop are located. We will be sure to avoid these obstacles and make the fiber drop installation process as smooth as possible. Once the drop lines have been staked, crews will come out and mark any underground utility lines that may run through your property. Contractors for Broadcom will neatly plow a fiber drop through your yard and mount a box on the outside of your home. Most customers will not even know we have plowed the new line. We use every means possible not to disturb your property. Next, a Broadcom representative will come out and splash your fiber drop and connect you to our fiber network. They will also test the fiber at your house to ensure your connection is good for your final installation. Once construction outside your home is complete, we will contact you to schedule a time for service installation inside your home. This is the final stage of the fiber installation process. While the multi-tier process might sound complicated, Broadcom has perfected all the stages to make it smooth and easy for our customers. If you have any questions or concerns anytime during the fiber optic installation process, please leave a comment, and we will be happy to assist you. We hope you will enjoy your new fiber optic line.